So the medium level is the same basic idea as the easy level, only there'll be slightly higher numbers, higher targets to reach, and it's going to involve a bit more subtraction. So be quite common for so we're on 21, we want 26, so I can get to 26 here. Got 21. So I've got 19. Now I need 2 to get to 21, and you're not going to get a number 2 here, and we can see up here we won't be getting a number 2 for this game, so we have to find out another way around that. So I've got 19. Well, I know the difference between 3 and 5 is 2, so if I take the 5 and I've gone past 21, but I subtract the 3, 24 subtracts 3, that gave me the 21. I've got 15 here, so I might be thinking, well, the 5 will help. Now I've got 5, I need 10, and I'm looking, I've got 7 and 3. A 7 and the 3 will give me that 10. So that's the basic idea in the thought process for the players. Again, here, we can't go below 0 in the medium level game. And the upper limit, I think, is higher than the easy level. I'll just keep going, and here it's 100, so you can't go above 100. So I try to add above 100, and it's giving me a warning because I've gone way beyond the target. So I'm going to have to choose to subtract to come down. So I'll come out of the medium level and just look at the difficult level. So the main thing to notice here is that we now have this bar counting down as well. So I have to answer each question before this reaches the bottom. It takes 1 minute to do that. So it's asking me for 33 here. So there's got to 33, give me 1 star. Have a go at getting to 30. So 15, halfway. 21 I'm going to need 9, so I can see 6, 2, 1. Now I'm just going to let this count down and reach 0. So once this has reached 0, there'll be a buzz and the player will lose a star. And then a new question is generated. Let me just get something on here, and we'll just wait for it to count down. It doesn't affect the game time at all. Once this reaches 0, the only result is that you lose a star, which means it's going to take you longer to complete the game. But it doesn't give any time penalty here. So it's nearly reached the end. And once it reached the end, it starts again, but we've lost a star. Now if you get down to 0 stars, then that's no more punishment there. You just get down to 0 stars. It doesn't take you backwards. So if we had progressed on the levels here, it doesn't take you back on this bar. It only affects the stars, and if there's no stars, then it just stays on no stars. So that's the main difference with the hard level. The other difference is, if you remember on the other two, we're limited to 0 with the hard level. It will go down to minus numbers. So if you're not watching, you can end up in negative numbers. And there's no top limit either. So it can just keep on going. There's no warning. we're going to get down to 0 again, and you'll see this star is going to be lost. Okay, so that's the hard level.